Inside this fortress of technology, the world's most advanced smartphones are born.
The environment is cleaner than a hospital operating room. It starts with a single wafer of pure silicon. Lasers carve billions of transistors thinner than a human hair.
The wafer is diced into individual processor chips.
The brain of the phone is placed with micron-level precision. Automated soldering locks the components in place. Thousands of components are assembled in the blink of an eye.
X-ray vision checks for any microscopic errors.
The completed motherboards head to the assembly line.
The phone body is carved from aerospace-grade aluminum.
Anodizing gives the metal its color and durability. Waterproof adhesive is applied with robotic precision. The high-capacity battery is seated securely. The advanced camera system is installed. Ensuring the lens is dust-free for crystal-clear photos. This flexible glass is thinner than a human hair. The screen and body become one. Inspectors look for scratches invisible to the naked eye.
The final piece of the puzzle, the glass back. seals the phone, making it water resistant.
A river of smartphones flowing towards testing.
Automated systems install the software.
Screen tests check for dead pixels.
Haptic motors are tested for feedback.
The folding mechanism is tested 200,000 times.
Drop tests ensure durability against accidents.
Waterproofing is verified in a pressure tank.
It survives, fully functional.
Extreme temperature tests simulate harsh climates.
Buttons are stress tested for longevity. Charging ports are tested for wear and tear.
The tumble test simulates a life in your pocket. Dust resistance keeps the internals clean.
Scratch resistance is tested with hard alloys.
Automated camera focusing tests.
Audio quality is calibrated perfectly.
Protective film is applied to the screen.
Passed all tests. Ready to ship. Ship.
Robots pack the device with 0 fingerprints. Accessories are added to the kit. The premium unboxing experience starts here. Sealed for security. Pallets are stacked for global distribution. Heading to tech stores around the world. Millions of phones built to perfection. From the factory floor to your hand.
And that is how the future is built. Incredible engineering. If you loved this tech tour, smash like and subscribe to Rising Story USA.